Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Stripe webhook endpoints for reliable payment event delivery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Stripe webhook endpoints, first, log into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section in the sidebar. Select webhooks from the options available. Here, you will see a list of your current webhook endpoints. Identify the endpoint you wish to update. Click on the endpoint you want to modify. In the Details view, review the current settings. To update the URL, click on the Edit button. Enter the new URL for your webhook endpoint. Make sure the new URL is correctly formatted and accessible. To test the new endpoint, click on the Send Test Webhook button. Choose the event you wish to simulate from the drop-down menu. Confirm the event to check if the webhook is being received correctly. Monitor the response in your application to ensure it processes the event properly. Once testing is successful, save your changes. If necessary, update any security settings, such as verification tokens. Regularly review your webhook logs for any errors or missed events. Maintain documentation on your webhook configurations for future reference. This process ensures reliable payment event delivery from Stripe to your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.